I think it's a fantastic performance. I salute the players because they have done very well, and our aim was to win 3 games in 7 days, which we have done. We have won 2 games, waiting for Sunday's game. If we win, then mathematically, then we can check how the points are going. At the moment, we just work hard so that we can win the next game. I think we are getting closer and closer. It's a positive result because now 7 points. They have to win 2 or 3 games to tie our points. I think it's fine because most of the games we have so many scoring opportunities. Even if we win 2-1, we create so many chances, which I believe one game we can win 4 or 5 goals we can score.